Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss the Copilot in Power Apps. Using Copilot in Power Apps. Features in Canvas apps. You can create Canvas app and Dataverse table. It helps you in customize your app. We can also add Copilot to your Canvas app. Describe your app to Copilot, it will help you to create it automatically. It will also help to create Dataverse table to your app. Copilot works with apps use Dataverse as a data source. By using the Copilot, you can customize your apps. Copilot will help you to add components to your apps, like buttons, galleries, screens, etc. By using the Copilot, we can create formulas for sorting, filtering, conditional formatting. Add a Copilot inside your application. Link it to the same data source. Users now can explore the data using the custom Copilot for your app.
Next,
In this module, we will discuss how to create an app and customize it using Copilot. 1. Set your requirements. Start by describing what you want your app to do. This helps Copilot understand the purpose and generate the right structure. Speaking head and silhouette example prompt. I need an app to track projects. Speech balloon Copilot response. Tables for tracking projects have been created, including relationships between them. Times project. Times task. This is the first and most important step. Think of it like giving Copilot instructions. The more specific your need, the better the app structure Copilot will generate. You can also choose between. Times Canvas app offers a fully customizable layout that works well across devices. Times model-driven app uses data structure to automatically generate layouts and views. Common commands you can use with Copilot. Use these types of instructions, called prompts, to build or change parts of your app. Hammer and wrench create. Times create a table for name. Times create multiple tables for names. Times create a row for table. Times create a column for table. Times create a relationship between tables. Inbox tray import. Times import a file from Excel or CSV. Times import a SharePoint list. Preview. Memo change. Times rename selected table to new name. Times rename column to new name. Times change column type to text, number, date, etc. Times change relationship type to one to many, many to one. Waste paper basket delete. Times delete selected table. Times delete a column from selected table. Times delete relationship between tables. Electric light bulb suggest. Times suggest tables to create. Times suggest columns to create for table. Times suggest relationships to create between tables. What is it? Copilot understands natural language commands. This means you don't need to know code. Just describe what you want, and Copilot will do it for you. Whether it's adding, editing, importing, or deleting parts of your app. Column suggestions based on your requirement. Speaking head and silhouette you ask. Suggest columns to create based on the selected table. Speech balloon Copilot responds. Here are some suggested columns for the project table. Times project description. Times budget. Times status. What is it? Copilot uses the name and purpose of your table to recommend which data fields, columns you might need. This saves time and ensures you don't forget important fields. Example prompts and Copilot responses. Speaking head and silhouette prompt. Create the budget column for the project table. Speech balloon Copilot. The budget column has been added to the project table. Speaking head and silhouette prompt. Create the project description column for the project table. Speech balloon Copilot. The project description column has been added to the project table. What is it? These examples show how you can interact with Copilot to build your app step by step. Every request results in an action from Copilot, making app creation fast and interactive. Customization and deletion. To customize your app further. Times use prompts like delete the column budget or rename column to estimated budget. Times you can also change data types or adjust relationships. What is it? Your app is not set in stone. You can keep refining and updating it with simple commands. Copilot lets you delete, rename, or change anything even after it's been created. A Canvas app offers a fully customizable, responsive layout that works across various screen sizes and devices. Copilot can suggest pre-built tables based on your app description and select icons that match the app's purpose, helping you create a user-friendly design more.
Next,
Create data hours tables, automate workflows, all just by using natural language. You simply describe what you want, and Copilot helps generate it. Creating a table with Copilot. Let's create a table to track tasks. In the Power Apps Maker portal, click Start with Copilot and type. Create a table to track project tasks with columns for name, due date, and status. Copilot will create tables such as project, task, and comment. Automatically detect data types. Suggest relationships between tables if applicable. You can also extend the schema with prompts like add a priority column with values low, medium, high. Building a model-driven app with Copilot. Once the tables are created, you can generate a model-driven app using Copilot. Select the drop-down and choose to create a model-driven app. Copilot will generate the app structure, views, forms, tables populated with sample data if applicable. This app is data-centric, leverages Dataverse relationships, and follows the model-driven app structure, enabling quick, scalable solution development.
next.
Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate your time and attention. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Start your journey today with www.crmonce.com.